ati Thutha wa mateta maingi megii ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, riu minista wa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini nkhumicha niatugiirie makinya maria matacukitio ni thirikari ya Kiambu ma kuhimbiria ukinyaniria wa kiriu hari gukorwo makigacirithia ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri. Makiria akiuga ati maguthuthuria gitumi kia arwaru kuma kaunti cia Machakos na Kitui guthii kaunti-ini ya Kiambu okoro magietha motungata ma Urigiti na nkhumicha aretie ari thibitari-ini wa rifaro wa Kiambu na makiria akiuga gavana Kimani wa Matangi makoro makirutithania wira nake nundu wa gutigirira ati thibitari ciothe thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu ni ciakorwo cina kiria giothe kirabataranĩka.
A few gaps, and one is on equipment, which we have discussed with the governor. We are going to roll out a national equipment support to counties. So we have discussed with the governor that he can do his request and list the number of equipment that he would need support from the national government. That they have begun a digitization process. They have a total of 114 facilities, and they are at 70% in terms of ensuring that they are able to link all these facilities. One is that they'll be able to see the HTs, the health products and technologies, all through stocks. And we want to link them up to KEMSA so that then they can even communicate with KEMSA. That is revolutionary. I think it is the first county that I have been to that has gone that far. Many of them have technology here and there, but with the capacity to link all the facilities within the place, this is the first one that I have seen, and I have asked the governor to be a champion of digitization of healthcare. You know, after this assessment, we want to place facilities into primary care networks, so that then we can be able to provide services to people, and digitization is going to be very important. Here is that we have patients who are not from Kiambu, and we have met quite a number who are from Machakos, Kitui. So as a minister then for me is to look at what is the gap in Machakos and Kitui, that they are not able to access services there, they are coming to access services here in Kiambu. So that is a gap that when I go back to the ministry we shall be looking at. But due to the high maternity cases, we have also agreed that they'll improve their systems to ensure that they claim from the Linda Mama Fund. You know, as a national government, this year we have put 4.098 billion shillings for Linda Mama. So we need all the women who come here to access maternity services, they should be able to claim from the fund so that they get reimbursement. And that reimbursement, Governor, sio ya kujenga kabro, sio ya kujenga gate, ni ya kuweka dawa kwa hospitali. So thank you.